fresh revelation about this longtime Duval County school custodian who was already charged with sexual battery on underage victims. Now News 4 Jax has learned he was accused of impregnating a student. Wayne Williams is facing 11 charges, including sex crimes and kidnapping, and there could be more charges to come. Williams made an appearance in court today where he learned that his bond hearing has been rescheduled. News 4 Jax reporter Ann Maxwell has been going through court records. She's joining us live with what she's found. Ann?
Tom, in these court filings, prosecutors are trying to show a pattern of abuse. They also suggest more victims are coming forward. We reached out to DCPS today about Williams' employment status with the district. They didn't get back to us, but they told us previously that when they first learned of these abuse allegations, Williams was administratively reassigned without contact with children, and that is pending the outcome of internal and external investigations. State attorneys now say longtime Duval County Public Schools custodian Wayne Williams has abused a second victim and possibly a third. In this court filing, the state attorney's office says while Williams was working as a school custodian, he impregnated a student there who went on to have the baby. Details about the timeline and the school are redacted. Williams has worked for 11 schools throughout the district. Another court filing says Williams sexually assaulted a victim who lived with him decades ago. The state is planning to use these allegations as evidence against Williams in a case involving another underage victim, who JSO says was not a student. Attorney Cassandra Smith, who is not involved with the case, explains.
The two motions that were filed by the state puts the defense on notice that at trial they are going to seek to introduce past crimes by this defendant. It looks like there were two separate incidents. Not sure if it's the same victim or not.
Williams is facing 11 charges, including kidnapping, showing obscene materials to a minor, molestation, and 7 counts of sexual battery. Investigators say this happened from 2018 to 2022.
Should we be expecting more charges filed based on the allegations and those new motions?
I think so. I think based on if they're able to get the DNA and match it with any other rape kits that are out there, I think that we could be seeing additional charges.
Court records show a judge granted the state's request for Williams' DNA cheek swabs to determine the paternity of the child he allegedly fathered. Williams appeared in court this morning for a bond hearing, but it was moved to next month due to a scheduling issue with the judge. For now, Williams will remain at the Duval County Jail. Williams' bond hearing has now been scheduled for January 12th. Live from the South Bank and Maxwell, Channel 4, the local station.